Hi friends, as you all know, Diwali is nearing and we use something in that. Any guesses? Diwali diyas. Exactly. So today, I am going to show you how to make your own Diwali diyas. First of all, we have some clay and let's open up the package. So here, as you can see, we have used the grey color clay. Here we took some natural clay. We have chosen grey color because afterwards we would be painting it in different colors. So for easy molding, we have took some water too. Let's pour some water on our hands. Make sure your hands are moist and then shaping the clay into a small ball so that it gets smoother, and then we will start making our diya. See, now it looks something like an asteroid and we are going to make it into a proper ball. So as you can see, it's somewhat like a ball, and next we are gonna flatten it up. A bit of water and place the clay, also some water in our hands. So as you can see, it's somewhat flat. So next, here we have a small container. Keep it like this and stick the clay around it. So as you can see, here we have stuck clay around the jar. Next, take your knife, open it up and choose a point. So here is the point which I choose. And then drag it around. And then let's remove the unnecessary pieces. So as you can see, we took it out as a beautiful diya. It looks as a plain pot. So shall we decorate it? Okay, so here we have some red seeds. So like this, we're gonna stick it. These seeds are called manjadi here. I have lots of them, so we would be able to cover it up. These are just some decorations which I did. You can make anything totally different from this. Here we have 2 pistachios and we are gonna attach them like this. Looks cool, right? Now let's keep him here to dry. Once your pot is in this color, it's ready for the next job. Yes, you heard me right. We will be painting it. So as you can see, our diya is dried. So next, let's start painting. Next, here we have 4 colors. We would also need some water and paint brushes. Next, let's open up the paint. Let's take our pot and we have done the inner part. Let's invert it. See, it does not stick. So invert it. Here we have green, silver and blue. Let's use blue. Second brush and silver paint. We are not painting it silver. Instead, splashing silver paint. Let's do the sides. So we have used the last paint, which is dark green. So we have finally painted the diya. Let's leave it to dry. So now, as you can see, our diyas are dried. Look. Now let's light it. Here I have some oil. So here we took two strings to light it up. As you can see, we have slowly, gently placed the strings. Here we have a lighter. As you can see, both of them are burning brightly. We celebrate Diwali to indicate light over darkness. So that's why we light up these diyas. It generates light. That means we are overcoming darkness.